Mother by the side, and Will ate the and Bear ate Rex, and Bear ate the oven.
He ate the what?
Oven.
The oven? The bear ate the oven?
Uh-huh.
Tell me some more.
And the bear ate the house.
A bear ate a house?
Uh-huh.
What else happened? Look at...
And bear ate the Cheeto.
What color were the Cheetos?
Blue.
They were blue?
Yeah.
What other colored Cheetos do you eat sometimes?
Orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to play? Who's your best friend?
Calix.
Tell me about him.
He got Mom who say what's his name?
What's his name?
Calix.
Oh. Do you know how old he is?
Uh-huh.
How old?
We.
He's 3? Like you?
Uh-huh. What's this?
What's that?
They let go like this.
What are you doing?
Doing this.
What's that? Oh, it's trained.
Go like this. Yeah.
Here, you hold this for a second. I'm gonna go get you something.
What this?
Hold on, just hold it like this. Look at this thing.
Why?
Huh? Because that's what's filming you.
I want to play a game on there.
Well, don't press any buttons when I go to get the tambourine, okay? I'm gonna get something, but don't press stop on this.
What tambourine?
I'm gonna show you, but just hold this just like this, okay?
Okay.
Don't press any buttons. You got it? Don't turn it around. Just leave it right like that, but don't press any buttons. Yeah, there you go.
What's your machine called? What are you looking for?
The tambourine. Here you go.
What tambourine? Why do you need that?
I wanted to show it to you. I saw it the other day. I thought you might want to play with it. Look, you stick your thumb in there.
I want to do that.
And then you can take it while you're shaking it and then hit your other hand on the white part. And it makes a drum, like a drum. Try to play a song with it. Crazy. Sing me a song. But you're gonna break it, bub.
Daddy.
You silly.
Dada.
What, baby?
What's this?
What's this thing?
It's going to go like beep, beep, beep.
Hey, that would actually be really cool. I just had an idea
What?
about this Zoob tube.
Cool. We can play this game. Oh, I will win.
How do you win this game?
I got Fluffy. Fluffy.
Ah!
No, you're not be fair.
Well, I didn't know you were gonna attack me. You crazy old rascal! What are you doing?
Go, go, baby, go, 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 baby, go, go. No, no, go.
Let's go over here and we'll be a bear.
Baby, baby, baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What was that?
My knee and my
Does
joint.
it hurt?
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Be bear.
Run!
You can't do that yet.
Oh, I thought I forgot that I was a human. I thought I was a bear for real.
No, be bear.
Roar!
Yeah. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Ha. Wait, 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 wait. Baby! Let me do that again. I'm like, be bear. Dada, be bear. Be bear. Be bear now.
You got me. You got me. Listen here, Bubba. You got me.
I will give you some medicine.
What?
I give you some medicine.
I'm gonna need more than that.
Now be bear. Hey, bye guys. Dada! Wait,